ជំរាបសួរអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាខ្ញុំបាទឈ្មោះ Hey Chan Songwapik. Welcome to my practice. So my name is Hey Chan Songwapik, or you can just call me Sep. But in Cambodia, you can call me Songwapik, but most of people just call me Sep. So I'm really happy to see you here. I'm also a new teacher on Practice, but I have already been teaching here for a few months. During that time, I've gained a lot of experience working with different students, whether it's beginner, intermediate learner, and even advanced speaker who just want to practice free talking with me in Khmer. So in my lessons, I like to make learning fun and practical. Every 3 lessons, I will introduce you to know some Khmer word about Cambodia. So things like food, culture, or daily life, you will get a file or PowerPoint with those new words so you can review them anytime. If you're still learning how to speak Khmer, don't worry. We can start with a simple question and answer, and I will help you build a confidence step by steps. If you prefer, we can also do free talk where we just talk naturally about anything you like, life, culture, or even a joke in Khmer. So for students who are interested in Khmer song, I can also help you learn how to sing them. We will go on a line together and I explain meaning of each lyrics, and so you can both understand enjoying Khmer music. If you want to learn Khmer alphabet, I can teach you that too, from reading and writing so to pronunciation. But if you don't want to focus on alphabet, that's completely fine. We can focus more on daily conversation. For example, how to speak in the markets, how to be polite, and how to sound natural and be funny in Cambodia. And after every 3 lessons, I will send you all the material we use, new words, daily expressions, greetings, and more. That's where you will always have something to review and practice with.